Welcome back to my channel once again. Hello, my name is Julia Salvia and welcome back. You know, hey, what's up? Tarte recently came out with a new collaboration with ASPYN OVARD. I wanted to do a tutorial on this palette for you guys because it is a super duper pretty palettes. The packaging is stunning. The palette is an awesome palette to like take on vacation with you. It's a super neutral palette, but it has its shimmers and it also has a blush and a highlighter in there too. So without further ado, I'm not going to like blab on. This is the look I created, so if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to start off this video, I'm going to be prepping my face with some skincare because we love skincare. I'm first going to be using the Sol de Janeiro lip balm to moisturize my lips. This guy is from Herbivore. It's their jasmine green tea facial spray or balancing toning water, and it smells so amazing and it feels so amazing on your skin. So I'm just going to spray this all over my face, and then we're going to wait for that to sit and dry, and then we're going to move on to the rest of the video. Okay guys, I have the brand new ASPYN OVARD palette with Tarte right here. Isn't it so pretty? Could we just take a closer look? The packaging is so pretty, rose gold with a bunch of pink flowers. Then you open it up, it's got yourself a mirror here. It's got 9 shadows and then a highlighter and a blush. Super pretty, just a very neutral, very like light palette. So I'm just gonna create a look for you guys. I'm actually on my way to an event at Ulta Beauty for Flower Beauty, and I'm excited because I think I'm meeting Drew Barrymore. So I'm gonna dip into High School Sweetheart at the top. So these are all the shimmery colors in the palette. I love these 3 right here. I'm not too much of a fan of the brown, but I never really use shimmery browns like that anyway, so that's just me being biased. So I'm going to be so backwards right now. I'm going into Brilliance, which is the lightest of the shimmery colors, and I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. I'm also going to take Pure Soul, which is the highlighter, and use a little bit of that on the center. Okay, I thought of an idea. I'm gonna jump back in and I'm gonna use a little bit of Tea Time. So I'm just putting Tea Time on the center of my crease. I'm actually gonna be cutting the center of my crease. So the center of my crease is gonna be the darkest before I cut it. You need to cut it. Now I'm taking just a plain blending brush just to blend this out. Then I'm using my Little MAC 221 and going into Road Trip. Road Trip is this dark brown here. And same thing, I'm gonna look straight ahead and put the brush straight into my crease. Super pigmented. I'll be honest, for me, this palette does not, like, it doesn't excite me, and that's not because it's not a good palette, it's because it's a very neutral palette, and I feel like lately I've been getting more excited with color in a palette. Like if I see a matte like purple or matte like yellow, I like get so excited about a palette. But because this one's more neutral, I'm not like so excited. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, like just stunning, and the colors are amazing and awesome. Like this would be a palette that I would bring with me like on vacation, because it's such a good range of colors. I wish there was a black in there, but I always wish that there's a black. But other than that, it's doing good so far. Taking some of my Tarte Shape Tape, we're gonna cut the crease, but we're only gonna cut the center of the crease. So for this little cut crease we got going on here, I'm going to take Heart of Gold and I'm going to apply that all over the little area that I just cut Feels so weird saying that. I just cut it. And then I'm gonna take Endless Summer, which is the lighter one right at the top here. Okay. And we're just gonna kind of put them together. So, Heart of Gold. I think for these shadows, these definitely need a finger. Not this finger, this finger. So to pick up Endless Summer, I sprayed my brush a little bit. Let's see if this... It helps a little bit. Not a lot, a little bit. I have this Rimmel Wonder Wing eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to use this to line the top lash so that we can add some lashes and hide the band. And then, of course, my favorite lashes. Oh my goodness. These are the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. I mean, don't hate. I just love them, okay? I've used them like 20 times already. Before we apply those, I'm applying my Better Than Sex mascara, because that is also a fave. So I'm feeling a little cute, so I'm going to apply this Maybelline Lasting Drama Light Liner in Moonlit Purple right here. I'm going to prime with these two guys. This is the Cover Blend True Blend Cover Girl. Cover Blend? What did I say? This is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer Illuminator. And then this one is the No Problem Primer from Touch in Soul. So I'm going to use both of these to prime. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Flash Spray Foundation. I have two colors here. I have 200 and I have 300. Now I'm going to apply some Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to set everything with my Cover FX Matte Setting Powder. So I'm going to use the blush in this palette. This is the Made You blush. Now I'm using the highlighter. To set everything, I'm using the Cover FX Dewy Setting Spray. Okay, last but not least, lips. This is MAC's Lip Liner in Whirl. I'm just going to line my lips with this, and then we're going to top it off with a Tarte liquid lipstick and a Too Faced gloss. Alright guys, this is the finished look right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on this palette. If you guys like this palette, or you picked it up, or you did a look on it, make sure to hashtag Beauty by Julia, and also let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it. That's all I got for you. I gotta run. Of course, as always, subscribe right here, and do not forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video, and then check out all of my other videos right here.